Hello everyone, welcome back to Homes Decor Designs, your go-to destination for transforming every inch of your home into a sanctuary of style and functionality. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we are diving into the world of small vegetable garden ideas, proving once and for all that you don't need a sprawling countryside estate to enjoy the crisp taste of homegrown produce. Whether you have a tiny urban balcony, a narrow side yard, or just a sunny windowsill, we're going to show you how to maximize your space and elevate your home's aesthetic with lush, edible greenery. There is nothing more satisfying than growing and harvesting crops straight from your own garden. It is a rewarding experience, and with these inspirational ideas, you can have a beautiful and productive patch, whether you grow in a large or small vegetable garden. A carefully planned vegetable garden can grow all kinds of crops, from tactile herbs to root vegetables and fruit trees, and a space of any size has the potential to produce a rich bounty of harvests for you to enjoy. There is no reason why everyone shouldn't have a vegetable garden as part of their garden ideas. Whether you are blessed with an expansive plot, have a small vegetable garden, or grow vegetables in raised beds, window boxes, or hanging baskets, there are many ideas here to help you achieve homegrown satisfaction. There has been a resurgence in grow your own in recent years, as more and more people are discovering the joys of growing and harvesting their own produce. If you want to start a vegetable garden, there are ideas here for all sizes, aspects, and ambitions. They are all also relevant if you simply want to reconfigure an existing vegetable garden. You can choose the ideas that work best for your chosen vegetables and space. 1. Grow vegetables that you love to eat. The first step in designing your vegetable garden ideas is to choose the vegetables that you want to grow. This will guide you in your design and the style of your vegetable garden. The best way to choose your crop is simply to grow what you love to eat. Make a list of your favorite edibles, including herbs, and consider those that are more expensive to buy. Include different varieties of vegetables you enjoy, then look carefully at your space and climatic conditions and narrow your selection. 2. Stagger your planting so you have crops all year round. You might think that vegetable garden ideas only work in the warmer months of the year. However, with a bit of forward planning, you can harvest delicious crops all year round. There are plenty of crops that you can grow every month of the year. For inspiration, research what to plant in December and what to plant in January. When it comes to starting out, try edibles known to be easy to grow, such as tomatoes, and plan when you plant different crops so you can enjoy year-round production and supply. Your greenhouse will enable you to be significantly more productive in your growing year than if you were purely growing outdoors, especially if you know the right growing techniques. 3. Incorporate herbs into your vegetable garden. Aromatic herbs are one of the easiest crops to add to your vegetable garden ideas. They can be grown separately as part of herb garden ideas or can be incorporated into a wider vegetable garden. As heavily fragrant plants, herbs provide so much more than just a delicious crop. They also act as a great pest deterrent, helping your other vegetables to thrive. Spearmint, sage, thyme, lemongrass, and rosemary are not only great culinary herbs to add to your garden, but the strong-smelling oils from these plants also act as a natural wasp repellent while creating an aromatic experience for you. Place potted herbs around your dining area, or if you're limited on space, go vertical by hanging herb planters on a nearby wall. 4. Label your plants. Anyone who has ever done any gardening will know how easy it is to forget what you've planted. While this doesn't matter so much when you are planning a cut flower garden, it is vital when you are growing vegetables, as you need to be certain what you're eating. Plant labels have a history of being rather unattractive, with options limited between bright white plastic strips with permanent marker or wooden sticks that inevitably degrade over the course of the season. Thankfully, there are now lots of aesthetic and long-lasting designs that are perfect for your vegetable garden ideas. 5. Embrace companion planting. Traditional vegetable garden ideas see the crops separated from the floral areas of the garden. However, this is not necessarily the best approach in terms of maximizing yield. Instead, integrating blooms amongst your crop is a great way to embrace companion planting, and if you plant flowers that attract bees, will help to increase the number of pollinators to your crops. Also, take inspiration from kitchen garden ideas, as this historical garden style will help you to create the perfect low-maintenance plot, achieving the right balance of vegetables and blooms. Even if you don't want all your backyard ideas to be focused on vegetable garden ideas, there are still lots of top tips for planning a kitchen garden that will help your vegetable garden ideas thrive. 6. Position your vegetable garden near the kitchen. Most of the plants going into vegetable patches are annuals. They are working with a short time scale and need to grow rapidly. To enable them to put on this performance, they need all the help they can get and plenty of food to fuel this growing process. That's only possible in full sun. This small vegetable garden idea allows placement of the crops closer to the kitchen for ease of use, and so you can pay close attention to any pests and diseases. 7. Consider a multifunctional greenhouse. Greenhouse ideas form an essential part of the vegetable garden, allowing you to start as many seedlings as your heart desires, without the challenge of predicting frost or worrying about where they will live. The benefits are not just felt at the start of the growing season either, as even an unheated greenhouse can delay the effects of frost by several weeks, letting you maximize the yield of crops, such as picking fresh tomatoes well into fall. However, in smaller spaces you may face the need for compromises, the most common being between a shed and a greenhouse. Both have benefits, but often the necessity of a shed's storage potential will outweigh the botanical benefits of a greenhouse. This does not have to be the case though. If you're struggling to choose between a greenhouse and other shed ideas, then consider a design that combines both elements. 8. Make the most of vertical height with hanging baskets. The best plants for hanging baskets aren't just trailing blooms. In fact, hanging baskets can also be used to grow a wide range of vegetables, helping to increase the productivity of your small vegetable garden ideas. Taking up no ground space, they provide a versatile growing platform for a wide range of vegetables, working particularly well with catan come again, lettuce, arugula, and spinach, as well as being able to be used for growing tomatoes or as herb planter ideas. Since the vegetables are elevated above the ground, they are inaccessible to slugs, snails, rabbits, and other animals who may decimate your crops when grown at ground level. Protecting them from this helps to boost your yields. You can even consider adding more decorative hanging baskets, like this aged ceramic hanging basket at Wayfair. 9. Build a raised bed vegetable garden. Raised garden bed ideas are a popular way to grow edibles as part of small vegetable garden ideas. Wood, brick, or sleepers can be used to frame your bed, and there are plenty of kits on the market. Or you can follow Monty Don's raised bed tips. Fill your beds with good quality soil and then add your fruit or vegetable crops. You may like to plant in neat rows or decorative patterns for a mini potager effect. Mixing in some companion planting, rotating the crops ensures pests and diseases don't build up, and also makes the nutrients added by one plant available to the subsequent plants. 10. Grow vegetables in pots. Shady areas are often a problem in smaller gardens. However, vegetable garden container ideas offer the perfect solution as you can move them to follow the sun throughout the day. This means that you're not just limited to vegetables to grow in shade, but in fact can grow a wide array of edibles in your small vegetable garden ideas. Gardening expert Carol Klein says, there are loads of vegetables you can grow in pots, absolutely masses of them. All the salad crops you can grow so easily. Potted edibles and other container gardening ideas are particularly convenient for small vegetable garden ideas. They are particularly useful for vegetable gardens that are part of balcony gardens or placed on patio ideas. Since they don't require borders or raised beds, creating a small vegetable garden is more than just a weekend project. It is a lifestyle upgrade that brings life, color, and nutrition to your doorstep. As we've seen today, with a little creativity and the right layout, your outdoor living area, no matter how small, can become a thriving ecosystem that feeds both your body and your soul. Thank you for joining us as we explore the intersection of beautiful design and sustainable living. We hope these ideas have inspired you to grab some soil, pick out your favorite seeds, and start your own miniature gardening journey today. If you found these small garden ideas helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more home and garden inspiration. We want to hear from you. Which of these ideas are you going to try first? Drop a comment below with the word green if you're ready to start your garden this season. Don't forget to click the notification